Hello, FMS customers. We are going to be talking briefly today about a new feature in the payroll system that we rolled out a couple weeks ago, and we just wanted to share it with our customers. So what this feature is called is the preliminary check register. So this has been a very important aspect of our payroll system to be able to see everything in advance before a payroll is run. And we have now made that so that you can run it yourself on Mondays before payroll is processed. As soon as the time is entered or uploaded, you can run that file. You can run that program as much as you want to see anything from net checks to you could do hand checks through there to see what the net amount could be. It gives you everything you need to be able to calculate a net amount for an employee. So this is how we access that. So when you're logged into the program, into the payroll system, click on payroll, click on time entry, and then right here, you've probably noticed this before, maybe not. And to use this function, it does require an upgrade to your security. So you will have to reach out to your accountant to make sure that you have access to it. But as soon as you do, when you click on the preliminary check register, it will bring up your client number already automatically saved there. And when you click and confirm here, it will run the report. So I've already run it, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. All you do here though is click here and click confirm, and then it will run. And then when you jump over to your spool files, you'll notice here under spool files that 2 reports are generated, and this is another important feature of this this program. It will run a report for the check register itself, but it will also run an error report. And this is important because if you have any client rules like maximums for hours, or if anybody is set up incorrectly and they're not going to get paid for some reason, this error report will give you the information on that. So if I open that up, in this case there are no errors, but this is something that you should check every Monday or every other Monday depending on when you do payroll, to be able to see if there are any errors here. We've got none, so that's good. And then if I open up the file itself, we're going to look at some sample data here. So you'll notice that this looks very similar to the standard check register for payroll, and that's because it is the same functionality. So it's going to have all your gross figures, all your taxes, all your deductions, direct deposit. It literally has everything to know if the payroll is going to process the way you expect it. So we want you to have the power to run this and to check your payroll every Monday before payroll goes live. And so what you'll notice here too is at the end we'll even get some of those grand totals, so you can get an idea of the taxes that are going to come out, the amount of checks. At the very bottom here, you can even see things like total taxes withheld, total due to FMS, etc. And then this at the very bottom here, we get that was the total for the store. This is the total for the entire client. So you'll see even more total FICA, because FICA is done at a client level. But you get everything you need here to be able to feel comfortable and happy about payroll running on Monday nights. So thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, please reach out to your accountant.